Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own expense category within the Spendee Budget Planner app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spendee application on your device, and once you open it up, make sure that you are logged in using your email address and your password or your social accounts. After logging in, you will end up within the timeline page, from which you can start adding your transactions right away from the plus icon at the bottom right. Now, when you choose your transaction, there are various different categories that you can choose. And if your appropriate category of expense is not listed, then you may also create your own. In order to do this, click on the More icon at the bottom right corner, and then click on Categories. Now within the Categories section, you can add your own desired one within both the expense and income section. Now make sure that expense is selected, and then click on the plus icon at the bottom left corner. Then you can just create your category by entering your desired category name. After entering your category, just choose the color within the category color section, and now you may choose your desired icon. There are various different options to choose from, so just tap on whichever icon you would like to choose, and then click on Create a Category. And now, the category that you have just created has appeared within your expense section. Now every time you add your expense transaction, you can find your newly created category within it as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your own custom expense category within the Spendee Budget Planner app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.